What do you mean by crime? Define the various elements of crime. Also explain the different stages in crime. Crime has been an intrinsic part of human society since the dawn of civilization. As people began to organize themselves into groups and form complex societies, the concept of laws and rules emerged to maintain order and protect the collective well-being. However, wherever there are rules, there are individuals who break them, and thus crime became a recurring phenomenon throughout history. From ancient tribal communities to modern nation states, the nature of crime has evolved, reflecting changes in societal values, economic structures, and political power. The societies grew larger and more structured, different forms of crime emerged, ranging from interpersonal violence in small communities to sophisticated organized crime networks in urbanized settings. Each era in history has dealt with crime differently, with punishments and enforcement methods shaped by cultural, religious, and political contexts. However, the problem arises as to what acts should be forbidden or what acts should be selected for punishment by the society or the state. In other words, what acts should be declared as crime? According to Terence Morris, crime is what society says is crime by establishing that an act is a violation of the criminal law. Without law, there can be no crime at all. Although there may be moral indignation which results in law being enacted. The concept of crime has always been dependent on public opinion. As we already know, law reflects the public opinion of the time. More than any other branch of law, criminal law is the mirror of public opinion. In order to know the nature and the content of crime, we must first all know what is law, because the two questions, crime and law, are so closely related with each other that it is very difficult to understand one without knowing the other.